Everyone says just start, like it's actually easy. If starting was easy, you'd already be consistent. So why do you keep thinking but never starting? Why does the first step feel heavier than everything? It's not laziness. Your brain is working against you. Your brain's main job is keeping you safe, always. Not successful, not productive, just safe and comfortable daily. Starting something new feels risky and unfamiliar to your brain. Risk means danger, and your brain tries avoiding danger. So it creates resistance before you even take action. You suddenly feel like you should start tomorrow instead. Or maybe you think you need more planning first. This isn't logic, it's your brain protecting your comfort. Your current lifestyle feels familiar, even if it's bad. Scrolling, watching videos, repeating habits, everything feels predictable. Predictable means safe, and your brain loves feeling safe. Starting something new breaks this safe and familiar pattern, so your brain pushes you toward easy dopamine instead. Phone, YouTube, Instagram, instant pleasure without any effort required. Why struggle now when comfort is just one tap away? This creates a loop most people never even notice. You delay action, then distract yourself to feel better. You repeat this cycle every single day without realizing. But here's the truth nobody explains clearly to you. Starting isn't hard because the task itself is difficult. Starting is hard because your expectations are completely unrealistic. You don't think small, you think about changing everything. You don't think 10 push-ups, you think full body transformation. You don't think 20 minutes study, you think perfect discipline. Your brain hears this and instantly rejects the whole idea because it sounds exhausting, overwhelming, and mentally too heavy. So what's the solution that actually works in real life? You don't need motivation, you need a better system. Step 1, make the first step extremely small and easy. Not small, make it so easy it feels almost stupid. If you want to study, just open your book first. If you want to work out, just wear your shoes daily. If you want business, just write one simple idea. This works because your brain won't resist tiny actions. Step 2, remove thinking because thinking kills action quickly. Create simple rules and follow them without daily decisions. Same time, same place, no excuses, no overthinking allowed. For example, sit daily at desk for just 10 minutes. No matter how you feel, you still show up anyway. Step 3, remove pressure of changing your entire life. You're not fixing everything, you're just proving you can start. That's the only goal that actually matters right now. Once you start, something interesting begins happening naturally inside. The task feels easier, even though nothing actually changed. This is called momentum, and it only comes after action. Not before action, never before action, always after starting. Waiting to feel ready is the biggest trap ever, because readiness is created after you begin, not before. There will be days when you don't feel like doing it. That's normal. You're human, not some perfect robot. On those days, don't skip, just reduce the effort. Can't do 30 minutes? Just do 5 minutes instead. Can't go gym? Do push-ups at home for consistency. Can't focus? Just sit and try doing something small. Consistency slowly builds a new identity inside your mind. Right now, you believe you're someone who can't start. That belief is exactly why you keep avoiding action. But small daily actions slowly change that identity completely. You become someone who actually takes action consistently daily. And once that identity changes, everything becomes much easier. Starting stops feeling hard. It starts feeling completely normal. Most people will understand this, but still never take action. Because understanding feels productive, but it's actually just illusion. Real progress only begins when you finally take action. Even if it's small, messy, imperfect, just start today.